again to all my friends who love nails and nail art as much as I do. Today we're going to be playing with a set that is on pigment, using neon pigments, sorry. I am doing this on top of Holo Toco's One Coat White, which is one coat and is fabulous. If you don't have them, they have a one coat white and a one coat black. I adore them both, and in general really enjoy Holo Toco's nail polish. So this is a straight nail polish. It is not gel polish. You can see that as I'm going along, I did notice that the colors got a little softer and a little more pastel as the polish continued to dry. I was not fast enough. So I would probably do this a couple nails at a time if I were working on a client so that you had more even coloring. But I wasn't overly worried about it because we're going to be stamping with the Ejiubas EJB06 plate. You could do this with any of the lace patterns, mandala patterns. I chose wildflower patterns, like kind of a lacy wildflower pattern to go over this with. I'm going to be using a dark purple. Right now I'm putting down a sticky base that's also by Maniology, just to make sure that my stamping has a good clean surface to stamp onto. If you try to stamp directly onto the pigments, it does not work out so well. They don't stick because of the powder, so you definitely need to coat those before you start to put your stamps over the top. And then, really this is a very quick, easy, fun set for doing that gives you a lot of bang for a little buck. So it's a short set to do as far as time goes, which also means you're making more money at the salon because it does take less time. But also too, your clients get a really, really fun background and new way of stamping. So this could be done for summer, could be done for fall, could be done for winter, just depending on the color tones that you use in the background. Obviously, you're going to want a full coverage stamp when you're doing this over the top, because that's really what causes that stamp to pop, is being on top of those background colors. Again, it took me probably 18 minutes or so to get everything down. So that was from the time I painted all the way to the finish of these 5 nails. It took me, I think it was a total of about 22 minutes altogether. And most of that time is honestly just cleaning my stamping plate and cleaning my stamper. If you're curious about either of those things, I clean my stamping plates off with nail polish, just straight acetone polish. I do not touch my stamper, however, with acetone polish. On that, I use a piece of Scotch tape just to pull off any excess design, and that works wonderfully. And then if I run into any other issues, I will tend to use some straight alcohol. I use the isopropyl 99. You can get that at the beauty supply shop if you're curious. So I have picked a couple of different stamps. They're not all the same, and I did that on purpose because I wanted to give this set some uniqueness and a little bit of a kind of bohemian tie-dye feel where things are not too perfect, if you will. And I'm going to stamp that last nail, and then I am going to top coat these with some gloss top coat. They are a whole lot of fun, truly a whole lot of fun, and so many limitless possibilities with regard to the colors and the tones that you could use. The stamping, the pigments rather, that I used today, I just picked up on Amazon. I'm sure there are better and worse ones. I just wanted to play with them a little bit, and I did a whole series with these pigments, both on polish and on gel polish, so that you could see the difference between them. And there we have it. A fun, cute, exciting summer set that just really speaks to tie-dye and fun. Until the next one, see you soon. Don't forget to check out the Peekaboo preview. Bye-bye.